Merry Christmas from the Word Factory. Today, we're going to be learning about the letters P, R. Together, they make the sound pr. Pr is in present, like the ones that we're going to make right here at the Word Factory using PR. This one goes to printer from Alphabet Blocks Alphabetical Adventures. P-R-I-N-T-E-R. Printer. This next one goes to Cactus from Alphabetically Speaking. P-R-I-C-K-L-Y. Prickly. This next one is for Donald Trampoline. Oh, I know just the word for him then. P-R-E-S-I-D-E-N-T. President. Now it's time to spell EJ's favorite salty snack. P-R-E-T-Z-E-L. Pretzel. That's all the words that we have to spell today. See you next time. Like and subscribe.